Our next big story, we're finding out how the state plans to fix a costly mistake. A computer glitch at the Rhode Island Division of Taxation left more than 200 tax filers out of thousands of dollars. It's a story we first reported last night. The state accidentally double-dipped into the bank accounts of roughly 260 taxpayers who paid their balance through direct debit.
We'll reimburse you for any expenses that you may have related to this. And we want to make people whole. It's the right thing to do. We messed it up and we got to fix it.
Division of Taxation is in the process of issuing those refunds. And joining me in studio now for more in-depth coverage, Eyewitness News consumer reporter Susan Hogan. So Susan, we just heard from the State Division of Taxation. They're scrambling to fix this. How are they doing that? How are they making people whole?
Well, scrambling for sure. They learned about this on Monday, and some refunds are already being debited back into those accounts. But you know, this is one of those things, when they learned about it, they realized that this is a big issue. About it, first they thought 281 filers, now they're down to about 260 at this point.
So how will those people will be reimbursed for everything, and how quickly? Because you got to imagine, between the overdraft fees and everything else, it's a lot.
I'll tell you this, it's not quick enough if you're one of those tax filers. Some people it's going to take up to 7 days. It depends on your bank, and it's certainly so. What the Division of Taxation right now is they've identified every single one. They are notifying each and every one of those tax filers to say this is the deal. They're also notifying the banks as well. Some of the tax filers have already contacted the banks. They've already been made whole. But for those who have not, they need to go on to the Division of Taxation, the Rhode Island Division of Taxation's website, file a claim for any of those fees that they've been charged for insufficient funds or bounced checks, and they will be made whole, but it is going to take some time.
Big headache. And we're talking about a lot of money here. How much total was double dipped?
Okay, so there was about $450,000 owed by these tax filers, okay? So you take 450 times 2. But one tax filer alone had $290,000 owed to the state of Rhode Island. So that person got quite a hefty load out of his bank account.
All right, well, let's hope all of them get that money back quickly.
Yes.
All right, Susan Hogan, thank you so much.